Yes, past 4 years back in Tamil Nadu, there is someone met in accident. Uh, Almostly he's dead, but his brain is not dead. But his leg, all organs are dead. That time, the doctors' teams are want to remove her um, mm, lungs, eyes, and heart. They are towards to Chennai to Bangalore with cops' help in highways. Um, that time, uh, that person was called brain dead. Brain dead means uh, every part is working, but brain is not working. That is, I think, that is brain dead, sir. That's all.
Yes, Balabhai, you are right. You are talking
Yes, yes,
about
sir.
brain dead, but here we are discussing about brain
Yes,
drain.
yes,
Drain means DRAIN.
yes, yes,
Actually, in
yes, yes,
topic
yes,
is
yes. I know
there
that,
is a
sir.
mistake. Okay.
Uh,
So we are going to start from the Devi Bhai because I think Devi Bhai has much idea about this topic. So he can start, then we can catch up. Okay. So Devi Bhai.
yes, yes, yes.
So yeah, bye. So I will start with one simple example. If I ship to USA and I will settle there, that is called brain drain. Oh, why it is called brain drain? Because I have studied here, and the my my institutions or whatever the academics from our country is given a lot to me. But what happened? I seek many knowledges from these Indian companies or Indian base or with Indian people. I learned so much of things, technology or related to the cutting edge or everything I learned here. But what happened? I will go USA for work, but I won't come back. Then what happened? My all ideas, knowledges will be utilized in other country. For example, from developing country to developed countries. So that is called brain drain. Correct, bhai? Uh, Pradeep bhai, is it correct?
Yes, it is correct.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
it
So
is
so that is,
applicable to all high quality people. I think
yeah,
normal people are not included in this. If we are talking
correct.
here means
Cutting
the
edge.
great doctors, scientists, they are
Yeah,
beyond their. Okay.
yeah. It is like those who are working in cutting edge technologies or niche skill, the skill areas. So for H1B and all, that is the first criteria. When you want to ship to USA with the H1B work permit, they will study all the academic details along with the skill what we have and what the USA don't have. They will allow only people with skill. So that's why the people migrate more to USA, and even from India also many people is migrated. The Microsoft, so many big tech companies have CEOs from India. They say that literally it is yes, because they studied from the great IITs from India. So it is the IITs are very big. They're giving a lot of quality education in India, and getting into IITs, it's a very big task because many applicants are there, and there is a lot of intros, lot of intros are there. So getting into that IITs and studying that IIT and completing that, but what happened? They will not utilize their knowledge to our country. They will go and look for other some developed countries. But as you mentioned, today's topic is how to stop brain drain. So that is more important, how to stop that, because migration will be always, it will be first utmost priority, because everybody wants to improve in financial or quality of life, everything. So that's why they will migrate. But how to do that? So one simple words I can say, that if they're getting paid and if they're getting all the benefits or respect from our country, why they will go for there? It is same, right? Instead of going there, they will get everything from our country. So that's why we need to look at those who are niche skill and the skilled persons. They should give service to our own countries, and they will put a lot of brain on our technology, or how to improve our day-to-day life, or day-to-day live, how to improve. If they give solution to that, then that is more important. And use me one example that recently Reserve Bank, India's head Raghuram Rajan, he also resigned from Reserve Bank and he went for USA for giving, he joined one reputed university over there. Instead of that, he could have stayed in India and he could have served, um, give lecturer or to professor in our own institution. They maybe the students will develop that kind of financial skill in our own nation. But he went there and he improved their country people. So that's why we need to think. And if the same people or elite people, I can say elite people will get more respect and finance and everything they should get in our own country, then definitely the migration will be stopped at some extent, not fully, but some extent will stop. And definitely quality of life also important, and infrastructure also one of the main important here. So if they develop all together, then definitely the migration will stop. Birds are migrate from one place to one more place in due to seasonal wise. Why they will migrate? So food, they won't get food in particular area at particular time. That's why they look for other city or other area. Similarly, people also will migrate from one metro city to one more non-metro city, from non-metro city to metro city. So if they get everything from their own place, then why they will migrate? So like this, if we think, maybe one day the brain drain will avoid. We cannot stop completely, but we can control at some extent. And that's what my point on today. Over to you guys.
Yes, Devi bhai, you are right, because we cannot completely stop, but we can reduce the numbers. And in
Yeah.
case of Raghu Rajam, I think you are right, because everybody needs respect, and if you are not
Yeah.
respecting talent, so talent definitely will be migrate. And nowadays people are migrating only due to food, some respect, and also some facility. And if that facility India can provide, so they can stay here also. But in many cases we are looking at, also we are seeing people are not getting so much respect. And you have put up a very good example of Raghu Rajam. I think he is a very talented person, and he suits up our country India. But as the government is behaving with that person, I think that was not okay, because you was just forcing to someone to just you resign and thus go from here. And what happened we can see, after resigning he just moved to USA and joined some other university, and they are educating some other country students. So that is not good idea. We should respect our talent, and we should try to provide such facilities so they can stay in our country itself. And that's why we can get also very good education from them. And nowadays, as you mentioned, yes, we cannot completely stop, but we can create infrastructure for them so they can stay here, they can do research here, because we are not providing so much money to research. And other country, if you are considering example of Japan and USA, they are investing so much money in research. That's why some talented person they are very good in their subjects, they try to move in other country. Because some day ago I have uh, heard about a man who actually just belong from Gorakhpur, means near about 50 kilometer from my home, and he is working in NASA, and he has developed something. That's why they publish an article in local newspaper. Yes, our person is doing very great in USA. And that was that time I was just thinking why he has moved to USA. I think only due to facility, infrastructure, and they are investing so much money in him also. Yes, you can come here and just research, and they are doing. So I think there are two or three things. One is respect. Yes, everybody who are educated, they need respect. Second is facility. If you are providing a standard facility, they can stay here. Also money. Yes, money does also matter. If you are, if someone is deserving, 3 lakh per month, and you are giving 1 lakh per month, and you are hoping he has to, she should stay here, so that is not possible, because they want, remuneration against their talent also. Because suppose Devi bhai, you are software engineer and now you have 10 year experience, and you are just applying in other country, and they are giving money less than what you were expecting. So I don't think you were going to switch over. If someone is giving double money or triple money, definitely you are happy to switch there. So that is happening nowadays. And I am totally agree with your point. Yes, this is not uh, wanted things. You can stop. Yes, we can reduce, and what they are demanding, if we are ready to provide them, they can stay here. And this is required nowadays, because if we are not going to stop them, so we are currently lagging, and this will be continued. So this is from my side. So okay, we are looking from Bala Bhai and Manisha. So you can put up your point, please.
Uh, Sir, to be honest, I was not aware of the word brain drain, but today after you sent the Zoom topic, then I did good Google and I collected some information. So, brain drain is very serious problem in our country, and like the skilled and talented people migrating from our country in the search of better opportunities, and they get educated in their country and serve another country. So uh, this is happening because they are not getting respected in our country. Their desires are not getting fulfilled, and uh, they think that in the developed country they will get a good opportunity, and also they can make a good money, and that is totally correct. I agree with it, but why don't they think that they can do something for our nation, for our country? uh, if we take examples of scientists and doctors and good engineers, they are you can see many Indians are in foreigns because they think that their fulfill will not be completed in India. So nowadays brain drain is a very serious problem, and there are many reasons. I just want to conclude, like lack of opportunities and politics involved in each and every phase, and reserve. I would like to add the most important thing: reservation system in India is a major problem, I think. Uh,
Okay.
that's all.
Okay, thank you, Manisha. So now, Bala Bhai, what is your point? Because I think you have Lishan Devi Bhai, me, and Manisha also. So we are expecting something from you. Please try to speak, try to conclude all the points. So, okay.
Yes, sir. I agree all your points. That side, many of people, students going to study in China in MBBS. They return to back in India. They are doing very much in rural area in this time because of past 3 months. My neighbor son, they are returned to China. They are finishing MBBS and like that. And somebody like that side, um, that is only very important. Only our Pradhamar Modi ji also every time says only all people studied and stay here, work with people side in rural area. That time our country will develop. Otherwise we should implementation our knowledge in our country, not other country. If anyone want, they are, central government also provide more facility for educations and also, but people want to live in luxury life. So Devi Bhai told that correct point. All things gets from our country, but they are servicing only other side. We just aware of to our neighbors, our friends, our sons. It will be reduced in futures. That's all from my side, sir.
Okay, Devi Bhai, Bala Bhai, you are right. Actually, we are planning everything, but we are not implementing. If you want to implement something, so firstly you have to make a proper plan. Also, you need to invest some money, because our Prime Minister Modi ji always saying, yes, we are requesting to our young generation, ki please try to stay in India and work from the villages, and so we can develop. But government also need to focus on their requirement. If government is ready to fulfill their requirement, they are ready to also stay. because no one want to migrate from one place to other place. Also, you can take example of laborers who laborer working in Mumbai. If during the pandemic they got job or work, they never migrate. But this is happening.
Yes.
So yes, Manisha.
Yes, for example, we can say like I'm working for TCS company, but if I'll get another opportunity for other company, if they are paying high package, and if I get a chance to work on a good technology, then definitely I'll switch. So everybody wants a better opportunity. Everybody is waiting for a better opportunity. So if they what I'm trying to say that if uh, when they people are not people will not get good opportunity in India, they will definitely go for another country. So
Okay,
our government has to think about it.
okay. So Devi bhai, please conclude all the points, then we can continue. Okay. Actually,
Yeah,
Bala,
bhai,
we have
yes.
conducted for only 30 minutes. That's why, because everybody is
Yes.
so okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah. So the conclusion is definitely that we should favor to our own country, and we live for our country, we die for our country. That is our main motto, and that should be in our blood also. So in that manner, if we are the talented and skilled people, they have talent and they have potential and they have substance. They have everything, but why they should go other nation and develop that country, that company? They have knowledge. The brain drain means they have talented people. They can do any talented in our own country. That is possible. It doesn't say that it is not possible. It is 100% possible, because it is possible in their country. Why not it is not possible in our own country? Definitely it is possible, and they should think in different prospectus when it comes to the nation to nation. Definitely the infrastructure and the economy and the people, the rules and regulation, law and order, everything will be differ. But we cannot expect everything from one place. We cannot expect the sophisticated thing in developed countries, because we're still developing, and there is lot of things to learn from developed countries to developing country. It is like a continuous development in terms of the person, or in terms of country, or in terms of the company, or in terms of technology. Everything should be in continuous improvement. You can see that 4G, 5G, 6G, 7G, it is like a keep growing, and the number is adding continuously. So definitely India also is a similar way. You cannot say that India is not giving anything, or India not like that. We cannot compare that. Definitely one day we also grow it, just like I said the example of 4G, 5G, it is still coming on. So similarly, the people, talented people, high skilled people, they can utilize their time or utilize their mind in our own country, and they can part of our the growing country, then the part of their growing ideas. And simultaneously government also some should conduct the tech summit or anything that motivates people to participate. And now, for example, the budget session is coming. They should include all the scientists, or the agriculturist, or the successful people, because they are successful. The name itself indicate they are successful in their own area. They should accept all the people's ideas, then collaborate each other, and that they should give the good budget that will stay for next 5 years. So definitely then only the people will stop migrating, and they will look for job in our own country. And that's all, Pradeep bhai.
Okay, Devi bhai, you are wearing t-shirt, and Bala bhai thought I am wearing inner and sweater. So actually, you can see the diversity of India.
Indians,
In
correct.
one place there is so much cold, and in one place there is no cold, because Devi bhai only wear t-shirts.
Yeah.
This is diversity of India, and this is phenomena of India. Okay,
Yeah.
so thank you Bala bhai and Devi bhai and Manisha for joining this
Thank you,
meeting.
sir.
Okay,
Thank you. Thank you.
tomorrow onwards we are going to
Yeah.
be regular. Okay, so thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for conducting this meeting.
Thank you.
Bala
For
bhai,
conducting the meeting.
looking
Yes, yes.
handsome. Looking
Oh,
handsome.
thank you, sir. Thank
Yeah.
you. Thank you.
Yes,
I want
Bala
to
bhai
be
looking
like
more
you,
handsome.
sir.
Yeah.
No, sir. Yes, sir. And won't tell one thing, sir. Tomorrow in
Yes, sir.
Tamil Nadu, all farmers go conducting Pongal festival, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
That
Pongal.
is
Yes,
very
I
important.
think
Yes, sir.
Very
Yeah,
famous.
in North India
Yes,
we
sir.
conduct Makar Sankranti.
Oh,
I think
yeah.
you have heard. Actually, Makar Sankranti is just like Pongal. In South, people
Yes, yes.
used to celebrate Pongal, and here we used to celebrate, Makar Sankranti. Today we are celebrating Lohri. Basically, that is belong to
Lohri, yeah.
Yes,
Punjabi
yes, yes.
community.
Mm.
So tomorrow is, and we have, in villages there is I think, actually I'm not getting what we, because in village people used to say this is day, from that day they try to bath. Actually, only because December is a very cold month, and November is also very cold month, and mid-January is also cold month. So in villages people used to
Yes,
say
yes.
this is day, from this day we can bath. Means that is only a joke apart, nothing else. But okay, so Bala bhai, Devi bhai, and Manisha,
Yes,
thank you for
yes.
joining. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.